You ever get that feeling like the universe just placed something in your hands right when you were about to give up? Like all this time, you've been chasing, struggling, waiting for your financial life to click into place, and suddenly something whispers, now. That's not coincidence. That's alignment. That's the moment your energy shifts from wanting money to being ready for it. Most people spend their entire lives wanting abundance. They say they want wealth, stability, overflow, but they spend their days vibrating with lack. They talk about prosperity while their hearts are heavy with fear. Wanting is comfortable. It's dreaming about a better life while still holding on to the version of yourself that believes you can't have it yet. But readiness, that's different. Readiness is sacred. It's when you've been through every storm of debt, disappointment, and doubt, and finally something inside you says, I'm done repeating the same cycle. It's when you no longer try to control timing, but you trust divine order. It's when you stop chasing money and start embodying the frequency that attracts it naturally. Here's what nobody tells you. Readiness doesn't feel exciting, doesn't arrive with fanfare or a clear sign. It often shows up disguised as exhaustion. You wake up one morning and realize you're tired of worrying about money, tired of shrinking your dreams to fit your circumstances, tired of believing that struggle is a personality trait. And in that moment, without realizing it, you release resistance. You stop fighting what is and you open space for what's always been waiting for you. Flow. That's when wealth begins to find you quietly, not through miracles that fall out of the sky, but through subtle rearrangements. A new opportunity calls you, a person appears, a door opens, not because life changed, but because you did. Because you finally stopped blocking the current of prosperity with fear and doubt. You see, money doesn't respond to effort, it responds to energy. The universe doesn't send wealth to those who want it most, it sends it to those who are prepared to hold it. And being prepared has nothing to do with having a plan or a strategy. It's about capacity. It's about believing you are safe when wealth flows in. It's about no longer feeling guilty when abundance finds you. It's about being the kind of person who can receive money and let it multiply, not out of greed, but out of harmony with the flow of life. How do you know you're ready? Because the things that used to trigger panic, bills, uncertainty, unexpected changes, don't shake you the same way. You've stopped seeing them as punishments and started seeing them as invitations. You've learned that the universe isn't testing you, it's training you to trust. And the moment you stop asking, when will I be rich? And start saying, I am ready to hold more, everything begins to shift. Readiness looks like gratitude even before the deposit arrives. It looks like calmness when others panic. It looks like choosing generosity even when logic says you should hold on tight. Because ready souls understand that money is not scarce, it's cyclical. It flows in and out like breath. And the more ease you bring to that rhythm, the more it flows back multiplied. You've been prepared for this moment for longer than you realize. Every rejection, every delay, every closed door was calibrating you for capacity. You were never being denied, you were being strengthened. Because the universe doesn't give big wealth to small energy, it expands your energy until it can hold what you've been asking for. So, if this message found you today, it's because you've finally reached that frequency. You're not manifesting anymore, you're magnetizing. You've become the kind of person whose calm attracts miracles, whose peace pulls opportunities closer, whose gratitude reshapes timelines in silence. The universe speaks to readiness in strange ways. It doesn't send a text that says you're approved. It sends you an opportunity that demands a version of you who no longer hesitates. It sends you choices that ask, do you still think small or are you ready to act big? It brings you situations that reveal whether you still see money as your savior or as your servant. Because the moment you start commanding your energy instead of begging the universe, you cross into a new realm of creation. You no longer chase abundance, you become it. You no longer beg for miracles, you expect them. You no longer question your worthiness, you embody it. And that shift, that internal quiet power, is what wealth recognizes. You'll start noticing little confirmations, numbers that repeat, unexpected credits or refunds, opportunities that align without force, people reaching out with exactly what you needed. This is not luck. This is evidence of readiness. Because the moment you stop broadcasting scarcity, you start receiving proof of abundance. Here's what's wild about financial readiness. It often feels boring. No sudden drama, no chaos, just flow. Money begins to show up not because you're hustling harder, but because you've stopped blocking it. You've become peaceful, consistent, certain. And that calm certainty is the highest frequency there is. It tells the universe, I'm ready to receive and I'll handle it well. But here's the truth most people avoid. Until you feel safe having money, you'll keep finding ways to lose it. Until you feel worthy of wealth, you'll keep attracting scarcity disguised as lessons. Readiness doesn't mean you're perfect. It means you finally stopped running from the part of you that believed you weren't enough. It means you can now sit with abundance without guilt. It means you've healed your relationship with receiving. It means you become emotionally and spiritually debt-free, unburdened by the fear that your worth must always be proven. And from here, everything changes. Your energy sharpens, your intuition gets louder, your choices get cleaner. You stop saying yes to things that drain your frequency. You stop explaining your dreams to people who can't comprehend them. You stop seeking validation for wanting more. Because wanting more was never greed. It was your soul remembering its natural state of expansion. When you're ready, wealth doesn't knock once, it follows you. Opportunities multiply, ideas flow effortlessly. People sense your confidence without you needing to prove it. And that's when abundance feels inevitable, not accidental. So if you're hearing this right now, it's not by accident. You didn't scroll to this point by mistake. You found this message because the universe wanted you to stop asking when and start saying now. Because readiness isn't something that arrives someday, it's something you declare. And once you declare it, life rearranges around that frequency. So take this as confirmation. Your waiting season is over. You've already learned what you needed to learn from lack. You've already proven your strength in the quiet nights of worry. Now you're ready to experience the other side of the story, the part where it all begins to flow with ease. The next deposit, the next opportunity, the next breakthrough, it's not coming to you, it's coming from you. Because you are the source, you are the magnet. You are the signal the universe has been waiting for to say, yes, they're finally ready. If this message resonated, don't overthink it. Just breathe, smile, and declare it. Write it in the comments, I'm ready to receive. Because when you make that declaration with your heart open, you don't just invite abundance in. You remind the universe that you're finally ready to hold it. And from this moment forward, everything that flows to you, money, ideas, opportunities, will feel divinely timed because you're no longer chasing wealth. You're living as proof that it's already yours.